So I'm not sure if you know that e-commerce businesses are making billions and they need virtual assistants to help them manage their stores. And the best part, you don't need a degree or experience to get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to become an e-commerce VA step by step. Let's go. Who am I? My name is Mong'are, a virtual assistant helping freelancers build profitable careers online. So why this video? E-commerce VAs are in demand, and today I'll walk you through everything, skills, tools, and where to find jobs and how much you can earn. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my new video on freelancing and virtual assistants. What is an e-commerce VA? An e-commerce virtual assistant is someone that helps online store owners with daily tasks like uploading products, processing orders, and handling customer inquiries. What are the common e-commerce platforms? Number one, Shopify, Amazon, WooCommerce, Etsy. For example, imagine there is someone that is busy and has a Shopify store. So that person is a Shopify store owner. They don't have time to update products or respond to customers. So they hire VA to do it for them. That is where you come in. So what skills do you need? Number one, you need basic knowledge on Shopify or Amazon. Number two, data entry and product listing. Number three, customer service skills. You also need to know order and inventory management, and then you need communication and attention to detail. So don't worry, you can learn these skills for free. You can go to YouTube University or Udemy or another place that you know that offers free courses. So what are some of the tools that you need to be an e-commerce VA? Number one, you must know how to use Shopify, Amazon Seller Central, Shopify or Amazon Seller Central or both, because this is where you are going to manage the store. Number two, Canva for creating product images and social media posts. I'm very sure most of you know how to use Canva or know that Canva exists. Number three, you need to know how to use Google Sheets. You're going to use Google Sheets to track inventory and orders. Number three, help desk tools. You should know how to use Zendesk or any other help desk tools or customer service tools for customer support in case they want to know when their products are going to arrive, or they have a question or they have a complaint. All right. Where do you find clients? I know this is the main topic that's keeping most of you here. Where do you find e-commerce VA clients? Best places to find e-commerce VA jobs include freelancer platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, Facebook groups. You can go to Facebook groups and search for e-commerce VAs, or I need an e-commerce VA, or looking for an e-commerce VA. Or you can also search using keywords like Shopify assistants or something like that. Yes, number three is my favorite. You can go find small online stores. You can go find small online stores online. Not sure if that one makes sense. And then send them a message like, oh, hey, my name is Lydia. I was searching and I discovered your store. I do this and this. Do you need someone to help you, or do you need the help of a VA? You can make a template and then reach out. Wow. And the best part is, how much can you earn as an e-commerce VA or as an e-commerce virtual assistant? For beginner, you can charge between $8 per hour to $15 per hour. As an experienced VA, now that you know everything, you're comfortable doing any task in the e-commerce niche, you can charge between $20 per hour and $50 per hour. And once you become a high ticket VA and target high ticket client, you can charge between $1,000 per month for full store management. You can charge 1,000 or more. So you can start with, if you're a beginner, you can start with small tasks and build the experience, then you can start charging. So what are the next steps now that you know what an e-commerce VA is, the platforms, where to find jobs, how to find them? What do you do? Here's what you need to do. Pick one e-commerce platform to specialize in. It could be Etsy, it could be Amazon, it could be Shopify, it could be WooCommerce, it could be eBay. Learn the basics using YouTube, the free tutorials that are available. Create a simple portfolio even if you have no clients yet. Make sure to have a portfolio. By a portfolio, I mean you can be doing those things on your own and then show them to your clients. You can create a video how you do it. And the last thing that you need is to apply for jobs. You can do the cold pitching that I mentioned, or you can apply for jobs on Upwork and Fiverr. So comment below if you have any questions, and I'm happy to reply every comment. Thank you so much. See you next time.